Okay, today's 5-minute tech tip from SR Helmet Design is chip and scratch repair before doing a new paint job. So customers will call us up and say, hey, do I have to have a brand new helmet for a paint job? And sure, it makes it cheaper for you because I'll usually spend 2 or 3 hours just on prepping a helmet before applying the first base coat. So here we're using Dolphin Glaze. We'll put some on a piece of cardboard, then we mix in 2% hardener. Once you start mixing, you got about 3 or 4 minutes before this stuff is rendered pretty much useless. Great, okay, so that looks good. Remember, apply as little as possible. I'm using a popsicle stick here, and this stuff will harden in about 20 minutes, and it's going to cause a lot of sanding. So be very careful how much you apply. Don't miss any holes, obviously, and Dolphin Glaze is amazing because it really likes to self-level. So it's pretty awesome. Just work really fast here before we run out of time. So that was about 3.5 minutes. You can see here everything's pretty much hard and useless now. So we'll give it about 20 minutes to dry, then we'll start sanding. Starting with 400 grit sandpaper, I'll sand all the areas really lightly. You may want to use a sanding block at first, then we'll use 1000 and then 1500 grit. Super smooth is your goal. Try to sand about 1/2 inch around the repairs so we don't end up with any flat spots. This looks great. No edges, no flat spots. Just check the front of the helmet, make sure it's okay. Then we'll put on one final coat of primer, and we've pretty much got a new helmet to start our base coat from. Thanks for watching.